PRISM is a neuroscience-based instrument specifically designed to identify the behavioural preferences that directly relate to personal relationships and work performance. Modern neuroscience rests on the assumption that our thoughts, feelings, perceptions and behaviours emerge from electrical and chemical communication between brain cells. It is these very same neuroscientific discoveries that have facilitated the development of PRISM brain mapping. To facilitate understanding, PRISM uses colours to illustrate the behaviour preferences. Although the PRISM model is a metaphor for brain functioning, the PRISM maps represent the dynamic interaction that takes place within the brain and is based on the principle that no one part of the brain does solely one thing and no one part of the brain acts alone. All our thoughts, emotions and actions are the results of many parts of the brain acting together. The PRISM chart represents a relationship between the right hemisphere, the green and blue quadrants, and the left hemisphere, the gold and red quadrants. Red and gold preferences indicate how a person will tend to behave when engaged in a task and or when under pressure to achieve results. Green and blue preferences indicate how a person will tend to behave in a social setting when establishing rapport with others. As the person switches between these two preferences, he or she may display very different, even opposite behaviours.